back to my channel, Car Kingdom. Today we are throwing it all the way back to a name that once defined the soul of Japanese coupes, the Honda. Prelude is back, and boy, it is not here to whisper sweet nostalgic nothings. This is a resurrection. With teeth a lean, mean slicing machine that has dropped the polite piano recital act and stepped onto the stage like a rock star dressed in lightning. Gone are the softly curved lines of the 90s. What we have now is a sharp, angular silhouette. That looks like it was carved from a single sheet of obsidian. This car is low, it is wide, and it is positively dripping with poise. The front end is a mask of intent, a wide grille with LED slits for eyes, giving off a samurai stare that dares anyone to step in its lane. Under the hood, you will not find a screaming VTEC of yesteryear. Instead, Honda has slipped into something a bit more future-friendly. A hybrid powertrain blending a 2-liter 4-cylinder with twin electric motors making around 200 horsepower. Now that number will not raise your eyebrows until you drive it because Honda has tuned this Prelude for dynamics, balance, and thrill, not brute force. The chassis is feather-light and taut. Every flick of the steering wheel feels like slicing through silk, and the car responds with an eagerness that borders on telepathy. This is Honda engineering in its purest form. The electric motors fill in the torque gaps, giving it a linear urgency and that classic Honda transmission feel. Whether CVT or 6-speed manual, if they decide to bless us with one inside, it is clean and focused, a cockpit that serves the driver, not the other way around. Seats hug you like an old friend. The digital dash is crisp and uncluttered, and the infotainment finally feels like it belongs in this decade instead of the last. But the best thing about the new Prelude is that it remembers what it is supposed to be: a car for drivers, a car for dreamers. It does not chase the Nürburgring. It chases connection. This is not a soulless electric pod. It is a celebration of motion wrapped in carbon and character in a world overrun by crossovers and bloated sedans. The Prelude is a sharp breath of fresh air. It is a coupe with class and conscience, stylish without, apology efficient without being boring, and thrilling without needing to shout. The 2026 Honda Prelude is not just a return, it is a statement.